Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And I hope you are doing well and practicing your English every day. And I'm also great. So as you know, this is day 38 and in this video we are going to talk about in my previous video I told you I will try to explaining opinion suggestions. So in this video we are talking about happiness, peace and money. So in a word, you heard that many people say happiness comes from money, but many others believe that truly happiness comes from within. So, what do you think? And comment your thoughts in a comment box. And you know what? I'm trying to explaining these, and I'm trying to explaining this opinion and suggestion so that I can improve my English skills. For that, I want to speak in the front of you. So I hope whatever I speak, if I make many mistakes, so you can correct it and comment in a comment section. So, in a word, the real happiness and peace comes from within. You know what comes from within? You know what? Why I'm saying like that? Because you know what? You actually observe these things because if you are you know what if you are thinking about too much money when we have too much money so I will be happy. No, it's not like that because many people you know what who have you know what a lot of money but they're not happy in their life, and the reason because they not find a peace, you know what, real happiness because of many reason I don't know, but yeah, only money can't make you happy. So for the happiness, we have, you know what, we have a friend, family, good exposure. So, and at the last, money comes. And you know what, money is also important, but not too much. And the another things I want to tell you, because in this generation, you know what, you can observe these things. You can also feel these things like because you know what, if you started, you know what, loving or believing other person, and if the person, you know what, went your life, or we can say lost your life, I want to try these things. What will be to say, like the person, you know what, the person leave you, so you can feel like lose. You can feel I lost my life. So you don't need to feel I lost my life because the world is very vast. If you see the world like as adventure, but if you see yourself in a limited person, like if you have a you know what loving person, or we can say a friend, so if the person or the friend judge you, you can feel bad. And when the person is went your life, it went from your life. So you feel lost because you are totally dependent on this person. So this is not is I think enough good because you may know really notice the things. The real happiness comes within yourself. So try to find the real happiness or peace. And I can say the things the feeling or happiness you feel when the person exists in your life, it is like a temporary happiness or peace. I also agree because you know what, like a human beings, so we the feelings or we have know the emotions. If the person is lost in our life, so we can feel like, you know what, we feel like we are nothing. So this is not a good thing for yourself also. So in what I want to take, just in what I want to say you, try to uh, in what keep alive that courage or strength when the personality go in your life. So try to live a person in a 1 minute. Like I don't speak much better in English, but I know the Hindi. But I will try to speak English. So try to the you know what I you hear that line if you attach to any person to give a guidance or give a strength and keep a guidance to let that person within each other within a moment. So this is exactly follow in your life this time because this you know what Gen Z generation is very you know what very crowded and very limited to see yourself in another person. So I think this is not a good thing. And I also suggest you one thing like if you started reading a spiritual book like Gita, Ramayana, so you can feel. And you know what? We should also study to read like this book, Gita and Raman, because and I observe this. The old person, I will, we are very, we just read when we are at age 40 or 35. No, you know what? When you started reading book at the age of 20, so you can find your path very clear, and you know what? Then you can't distracted with any person. We can say also this will help you because this will help you to change your mindset, to change your perspective, to see the world. Because in the existing world, we are like a human being. So we don't, you know what, we don't need to think life is limited. If we exist our you know what if we break our limitation and we can start it to see our life in a what in every single thing like try to enjoy every single thing so we can make your life very happy and balanced. And when you are happy and then you can also make other person happy then you can able to expand you know what expand the happiness with in another person and that's the real happiness comes and that's when you feel peace and calm when you make other person happy. So don't take the life too much seriously if you are not able to do very much you know whatever you want to do in your life if you do something like less so be happy with these things and just try to see your life like an adventure because if one chapter is closed try to start a read or try to start a new journey or we can say new chapter with motivation and with new courage. So life is like a chapter if you divide it and life is you know what life is a book and the experiences and the moment the we can say the memories are like a lesson. So don't be covered your life in a one lesson. I hope it is the deep things and the deep meaning of life. So I hope you will understood because I'm not able to explain all the things very easily in English. But yeah, I know them. You know what? I know the better way. I explain these things in my native language. But I will try to explain these things in this language because I just want to improve my English. And I hope you will also start explaining these things. And you know what? It is not the explanation or speech, it is the actually real life. Because whatever I will speak in the front of you and whatever I spoke in the front of you, this is very, very important. If you understood my language, so I will try to, I try to explain all the things in a one way. Because life is not too short or not too easy. And life is like so vast if we see it. So don't try to look your life in a one single person. Try to look yourself. Try to make yourself happy. If you are happy, the other, surrounded your person. Try to see yourself and try to, looking yourself. You are happy, then maybe the person who are looking you will try to make yourself also happy. So I'm just trying to don't try to don't try to make happy one person. Try to make happy all the person. Then you see the magic because this is exactly happen when you are trying to make a happy one person. The person maybe not care you or maybe not too much focus you. But if you are spreading happiness within all persons, so maybe 1% of people like they understood. But the circle is like if you are following one person and the person is the other person following you. The things is like a circle and maybe we lost it. Our happiness, we not find the actual happiness on or we can say actual person or actual honest people in our life. So try to focus on the person who care you and who not care you. So this is all for today because this video is very very long. So we will meet in the next video.